Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 4:30 p.m. At 2:34 p.m., a shower was located 14 nautical miles west of Key Bridge, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Smallwood State Park, National Harbor, Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Mason Neck State Park, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Indian Head, Key Bridge, Occoquan Bay, Fort Hunt, and Alexandria. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.
Barely caught that, but yeah, you know, you get the drill. So that's why I have a camera. Alright, well, there may be another one today, because, you know, it's windy outside, and, you know, winds like to make LWX issue marine warnings, so maybe we could see another one or not later today. But because it's not really anything really today other than just wind, I don't really know. So yeah, I had to rush to get this thing here, so we missed like the headers. But I saw it immediately, ran over to get the camera, turned on the weather broadcast on the EAR 10 while getting the camera set up. So yeah, that's that. Alright, Frederick County WX signing out.